Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something that can make your email life a whole lot easier: how to filter important emails that are older than 6 months in Gmail. Whether you're trying to declutter, organize your inbox, or just find old messages that still matter, you'll be able to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Give it a moment to load your inbox. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines that look like a small stack. This will open up the navigation panel where you can access different sections of your mailbox. From that list, tap on Important. This is where Gmail keeps all the messages it thinks are most relevant to you, usually things you've interacted with or messages from your frequent contacts. If you've had your Gmail account for a while, this section might be packed with old conversations, making it tricky to find what you're really looking for. Next, take a look just below the search bar. You'll see an option labeled Date. Tap on that. This gives you a handy filter menu that lets you sort your emails by how new or old they are. Now, choose older than 6 months. Gmail will instantly display only the important messages that were received more than half a year ago. You can scroll through these filtered results to find what you need, archive them to clean up your inbox, or delete the clutter that's been sitting around unnoticed. And that's it, quick and simple. With just a few taps, you've learned how to filter your important emails by age right inside the Gmail app. It's a small change that can save you tons of time, especially if you manage a busy inbox every day. Try it out today and keep your Gmail organized and efficient.